Here is the house. Finish. This area is finished also. Huh? Up here. The only remaining is right there and over there. This past few days, the work is a little bit slow because sometimes it rains. In the morning, it's sunny, but sometimes after lunch, after break time, it's raining. And one more thing, the shutter that we use, this one like this one, is broken. We have to assemble new one to make more slab beam. The only remaining is right there. This one, this area. I need to put more shutter there and right there. After all this, maybe next week, this all of this will be finished. Now we go to roof. I already gave to Delia the estimated cost of the trusses that we have to buy. We will use 2 by 2 steel truss. Okay? Sorry for getting late, huh? But when I got the money, I buy all the materials that we need in electrical. I pay all the workers. I give their salary. We still have remaining of 21,000 pesos. After all of this finish, we go to the roof. Okay? Together with this video, I will send you this video. Together with this is the rattan. Also, that is the reason why I am delay of sending it to you. I go find rattan furniture, and they told me if you have some idea of building a new a design of rattan, they can build it for you. Okay? Thanks a lot, huh?